study it anyway. So it seemed appropriate to me that at least for some topic, I should have to do the same thing. I don't really like rap. But I thought I should, if I'm going to do a rap for you, I should study it a little bit. And so I've watched some TV, I've seen some movies, and I'm trying to do my part to learn how to do this stuff. And one thing I've learned is that if you're going to do rap, you have to be cool. And one aspect of being cool is you've got to wear a hat, probably backwards or sideways or something like that. So we'll try that. And another aspect, apparently, of being cool is that you have to wear your pants down to your knees. So this is my rap outfit. And I guess it's also true, depending on your equipment, you're supposed to take off your shirt. Well, I'll just spare you that. There's also an equipment issue. I've discovered from watching movies that you have to be cool with with the stuff that you hold. I discovered, for example, recently that in the crime movie, it's no longer okay to shoot somebody like this. Now you have to shoot them like this. And the same is true, apparently, with microphones. You no longer hold the microphone like this. You have to hold it like this if you're doing rap. So you got to hold the microphone up, and you got to stomp around. So we'll do a little bit of that. There's a difference? Teach me. I watched a couple of movies, and I watched Hustle and Flow, and I discovered that you have to have a hook, which I guess is a chorus. Something like, it's hard out there for a pimp. Something we can all relate to. And I watched 8 Mile, and I discovered that what you're supposed to do is insult people who are listening. So I came up with a hook, and it goes something like this. You know, it's hard out here teaching chem. That book I wrote is a gem. I sing this song with low britches, and my students are all sons of bitches. Open your books, quick, take a look. 2 weeks till exam, then you're gonna get cooked. 6 months ago, started rapping about reactions. That's just the way I get my satisfaction. It has to be easy. Just look at me. Hell, if I can do it, it's gotta be. So what have we covered? Looks like a lot, but for $10 measly, the exam can be bought. So let's do a review of what we've just learned. All right. I don't want to see you all getting burned. We began with alkanes and alkenes and alkynes, so that's where I'll start with these bad dope rhymes. It's sort of hard to bear. They keep flipping back from the boat to the chair. Going out today? Yeah, change your plans. Gotta stay home, learn the system of trans. You know, it's hard out here teaching chem. That book I wrote is a gem. When the students in the class fall asleep, you know they're in shit piled deep. harder than others. Listen careful and stay with me, brothers. The Grignard reaction is certainly tough. Get water in and it ruins your stuff. We talked just a little of the transition state. That's the deciding factor to determine the rate. SN2 reactions take place from behind. Tertiary doesn't like it, but primary don't mind. Some reactions use the carbocation. I'm telling you the truth, and I ain't lying. Esters are the ones that smell kind of pretty. Sulfides are the ones that smell kind of shitty. Inductive, steric, resonance effects. The rest of this song is all about sex. Not really, that's just to get your attention. Thanks for your listening, thanks for your time. It took a lot of guts to be busting this rhyme. But for those of you people still tripping and flipping, go over to East for some ethanol sipping.